You didn't just wake up ugly. You built that face. Every lazy habit, every bad routine, every night you stayed up scrolling. You ever look in the mirror and think, why do I look worse than I did a year ago? It's not genetics. It's your habits. Today, I'll expose the 7 hidden habits quietly destroying your looks and how to reverse each one fast. Because ugly isn't permanent, but if you ignore this list, it will be. 1. Bad posture. Collapsed face. Consequence: your slouched back and forward head posture make your jawline disappear and your neck fold in on itself. You instantly look shorter, weaker, and less confident. Simple fix: do 5 minutes of wall slides and chin tucks daily. Keep your shoulders pulled back and your chin parallel to the floor. Forget posture braces. They make your muscles lazy. You don't fix posture, you build it. 2. Chronic mouth breathing. Consequence: mouth breathing literally reshapes your face. It gives you a long, droopy, tired look. No jaw definition, no cheekbone structure, just weakness. Simple fix: keep your mouth closed, breathe through your nose 24/7, and sleep with your tongue on your palate. If you struggle, tape your mouth at night. It trains nasal breathing automatically. I've linked my favorite nasal dilator in the description. Cheap, powerful, and life-changing. 3. Sleep deprivation. Puffy, dead skin. Consequence: you think staying up late is grind mode. It's not. It's self-sabotage. Lack of sleep wrecks your collagen, dulls your eyes, and makes your face look bloated and pale. Simple fix: sleep by 11 p.m., wake up at 7 a.m., stack magnesium glycinate before bed, and cold showers in the morning. It resets your hormones and boosts facial glow. And no, caffeine can't hide exhaustion. It just drains you faster. 4. Overeating and high body fat. Consequence: your jawline is there. It's just buried under fat. High body fat softens every masculine angle and makes your skin sag. Simple fix: drop your body fat to 12 to 15%. Focus on high protein, plus low sugar meals, and walk 30 minutes daily. Forget face yoga. Your diet defines your face, not your fingers. 5. Weak grooming game. Consequence: messy hair, uneven beard, and untrimmed eyebrows scream boy energy. You could have great bone structure, but if you look unkept, no one sees it. Simple fix: pick a haircut that frames your face, not TikTok trends. Trim your beard along your natural jawline, not below it. I've linked my go-to trimmer and matte clay in the description. 0 gimmicks, only results. 6. Tech neck and screen face. Consequence: you stare down at your phone all day, killing your neck angle and aging your face by 5 years. That constant downward gaze destroys your aesthetic instantly. Simple fix: keep your phone at eye level, stretch your neck daily, and set screen timers. In 2 weeks, your facial tilt and posture change dramatically. No device can fix this. Only awareness can. 7. Weak mindset. Weak presence. Consequence: this is the habit that traps 90% of men. You think confidence comes after you look good. Wrong. Confidence creates how you look. A defeated posture, lazy energy, and low discipline. They all show on your face. Simple fix: move with purpose. Train like your life depends on it. Sleep, eat, and carry yourself like a man who respects his reflection. Because once you fix your habits, your face follows. Every rep, every breath, every decision, it's carving your Godface. Now you know the 7 habits that made you look ugly and how to fix them. Don't just watch this and forget it. Start today. And if you're serious about transforming your look, hit subscribe, because my next video breaks down the Godface blueprint step by step. All the tools I use are linked below. Your transformation starts now.